What's up, people? It's your boy NJ again. Today, again, we're outdoors. I just like it out. It gives me more energy. The sun is out there a little bit, and then it's just a little more pumping. Anyway, so today's video, as I promised, is going to be about weight loss and fat loss. Let's talk about weight loss first. Let's address weight loss, and then I'll come to fat loss. Now, when we talk about weight loss, what most people do is, they follow cardio-based training. So it's mainly like cardio, where there's no weight training at all, no sort of speed training, nothing like that at all, which puts an external force, on the body, on the bones, on the joints and stuff like that. None of that is there. It's mostly just cardio, running, or walking and stuff like that. So what happens in that situation is you tend to lose fat, but you also tend to lose muscle. That's why you drop your weight very quickly, right? Now most people who are obese or who are at a certain overweight range, they drop quite a lot of weight during the first month or during the 1.5 months. And it's gradual weight loss, which happens slowly, but now the rate of the weight loss starts declining, and then that way you lose a lot of your fitness as well. Yes, you're losing weight, you're losing a lot of weight, and you're looking smaller and stuff like that on the scale. Your weight is going down, but what about your fitness? That's going down as well. When you lose a lot of muscle mass, that can bring a lot of weakness to your body, and a lot of other problems that you can have with your health if you lose a lot of muscle mass. And when you're on a weight loss, when a lot of weight loss is happening, what happens is there's more muscle loss more than fat loss. So you may weigh less on the scale, but in inches you're not going to reduce a lot. So what happens is, if I'm say like a waist of 38 for example, right, and after a month I lose weight from 90 to 70, and my waist only comes to like say 35 from 38, that's a loss of just 3 inches. But then that 3 inches has made a lot of impact on my weight as well. So now let's come to fat loss. What happens in fat loss is you lose a lot of inches, right? So your weight may be the same, right, or it may decrease a little bit, but what happens in this is that you lose a lot of inches. So you may lose about, say, from the same example, from the 70 I come to a 65, but then from a 38 inch I'm coming to a 32 inch or a 33 inch, something like that, because the weight that you're losing is just fat. There is no muscle loss in it. Now, how can you do this effectively and work on your strength, work on your fitness? How can you do this? It's simple. Go to a gym, or just bring some weights at home, or go to a garden like this. You'll find weights somewhere. There are a few machines over here. I could show you guys later, but then they are a little far from here. But you can do like body weight exercises and just add a little bit of weight to put pressure on your bones and stuff like that. That will help to bring up your immunity. That will help to bring up your fitness, and it will make you stronger as well as fitter and leaner. There's a lot of fat that you lose, and not just weight. No reason you should be aiming for weight loss. Weight loss should never be someone's aim. If you are someone who wants to get fitter, if you want to improve your health and your lifestyle, try and do fat loss. Fat loss is the best way, to get to your fitness goals, to get to any goals in life, to just be healthy, overall healthy. And if there's someone around you who's focusing on weight loss and fat loss, the scale really doesn't matter. I know a couple of people who weigh very less, but then if you check their body fat percentage, it's very high. So work on your body fat percentage. Try and bring that down and maintain your weight. Always remember this, the one key rule: muscle is always going to be heavier than fat, and fat is always going to look more than muscle. So a pound of muscle, right, and a pound of fat is completely different. Fat takes more space, and that pound of muscle will take less space. So you may weigh a little more, but you look smaller. There are many clients who keep telling me that I am weighing so much, but I'm looking like this. When I started, I was a little fatter or a little chubby around some areas, with women especially around their waists and stuff. Okay, and their lower body, their legs. But then after trying out programs, trying out the diet and stuff, their weight, remained somewhere close to what they were, but then the inches went down. They looked, they toned up, they looked fitter, they looked smaller than they did before. So it's just basic stuff like that you need to remember. So the weight loss and the fat loss has been, separated, and I've broken it down and told you guys what it is. Now, how to target it, there will be more videos coming up on how you can target fat loss with diets or with workout training programs and stuff like that. And if you're new to this, just start off with any program. You don't have to follow something very difficult or whatever. Just start something. Start with anything that you find out there. Do some weight training, do whatever it is out there, and make sure you stay consistent. Make sure that you follow one single program and stick to it with your diet. It's 100% of diet and 100% of training program. So if you're someone who's looking for a weight loss or fat loss, let's say fat loss instead of weight loss. So if you're someone who's looking to reduce your weight and reduce your size, then just follow some training program and you'll be okay. So that's about it for this video. I hope you guys like the content. I hope you guys like the information. The information is helpful to most of the people out there. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and comment below if anything. Let me know on my Instagram page if you guys have any questions, or just down below, and I will refer to all the queries and everything that comes to me. I promise you guys, I don't have a lot of followers, so I'm very free most of the times, and I will give out information if there is something to give out. And let's just get fit together, right? You guys take care. Bye bye. Cheers.